Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at Euro Yen, right? So what I have here is Euro Yen on the daily, and on the daily we see that price makes continues to make higher lows, right? And at the same time, it also makes higher highs. Okay, so we can expect price to at least push up, okay, to make a new high now that it's made a higher low. Okay, so we can have a take profit at the last swing high just to be safe. Right, so let's put the take profit over here. And we'll put this as take profit. And let's quickly go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, we also see that the microstructure of the market mirrors the daily trend as well, right? Price made a low, made higher lows, okay, made highs, made higher highs. So we can expect price to push back down, okay, to make a higher low before pushing higher to make a higher high, right? So this also ties in line with our daily. Okay, so if we were to connect all these lows, all right, with a trend line, it should look something like that, and we can see that price is actually coming close to our bullish trend line, right? We can take a Fibonacci retracement of the entire move from the low to high, and we can see that price right now is holding actually at the 23.6 level, right? So just remember this is the 4 hour 23.6 level, but I'm thinking price could very easily, because it's too tight, right? Price could easily push down a bit more before going higher, right? So it could do a fake out, right? At the same time, we also see the negative 27.20 in line with our daily key target, right? In line with our daily key target. So what we want to do, okay, I'm just going to adjust this line here, right, as a take profit, okay, and just keep in mind that the negative 27.20 on the 4 hours is in line with our daily swing high. Okay, and very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour. All right, on the 1 hour, we can actually tidy up the trend line. Right, we can actually tidy up the trend line. And I just want to show you guys also that if I were to do a retracement of the last leg from this low to this swing high and open all Fibonacci ratios, okay, we can see that this is quite close to the 50% level as well. So as I was saying, the 23.6 is a bit too tight. We want to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. Okay, so we can actually back up our entry to the 50% level. All right, so this can be the entry. Okay, and we also see that the negative 61.80 is in line with where the 4 hour negative 27.20 is, right? And we can have an intraday take profit, right? Just let me clear this. Okay, we can have an intraday take profit at the last swing high on the 1 hour. All right, so this can be our two targets. Okay, partial take profit, intraday take profit, and swing target for the 4 hour. Right, and last but not least, we need to identify the stop loss, right? The definition behind the stop loss is really the level at which you know your trade is invalidated, the level at which you know you are wrong. Okay, so over here, I will put my stop loss around the 78.60 region. Okay, but back it up a bit so that I'm not prematurely stopped out. All right, the reason why I put a stop loss here, two simple reasons, right? Is because price would have by the time reaches our stop loss, okay, price would have broken below the ascending trend line support. That's one. The other reason is that price would have also broken below the key Fibonacci retracement level, which is 61.80, and we also see that 61.80 falls in line with a very strong graphical overlap support. Okay, so this gives additional confidence that if price really does stop us out, right, reaches our stop loss, then our long idea should be invalidated. Okay, so it's a bit messy. I'm just going to just remove this, just show a 50%, okay, for the entry. All right, so there you have it. Okay, and last but not least, right, we can also include, okay, moving average. Okay, moving average exponential, right? 9 is too sensitive, so I want something less sensitive, so we can try 55. Okay, so 55 is based off the Fibonacci number, and we see that in the downtrend, Okay, in a downtrend, the 55 holds price pretty well. In an uptrend, okay, price is held by the moving average pretty nicely as well. And the moving average support falls in line with our 50% Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour, which is also the 23.6% retracement on the 4 hour, and is also in line with our ascending trendline support. So this entry level is a very strong confluence zone. Alright, so that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day on Euro Yen. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again.